ko. Tama pa ba? Init na yakap mo, hangin ko. Minsan gusto ko tumawa sa'yo kapag marinig ko ang boses mo. Mali na ba? Init na ba ko? Hinanap ko ang sa'yo. Kahit hindi na kita nakikita, kahit lumipas man ilang dekada, kahit nabago na hinahanap na iyong mga mata, hanggang magayon na langit, naisip kita. I wanna sing along, pero it's wired. Pwede ba? Kahit hindi na kita nakikita, nalumagin ka na, kahit nabago na hinahanap na iyong mga mata, ang nagahir na langit, naisip kita. Dahil mabago na hinahanap na iyong mga mata, ang magaya na langit, naisip kita. Naisip kita tayo. Kaya warming up tayo. Yeah, and then, after my song, we also prepared some moody song for the good vibe here in the cafe. And it will be sung by Eunice Janine. Yeah. Look forward. Ikaw ang star.
Thank you. Galing ni Yul, no? Ay, Pogi pa si Yul, guys. Nox naman.
What na?
Nahiya, bigla. Yeah, sige na. Wait, sige na, kadraman. Okay, game. Para sa inyo ito lahat, guys. Let's go. I'm sure you guys know this. Kilala niyo ba si Olivia Dean? Hindi, hindi ko si Olivia Dean. Hoy! And then let's go. Ayan, hindi niyo kilala ito. This is her song. This one is called Dive. I wanna swim deep, diving into you, diving into me. Wanna swim good and I wanna swim deep, diving into you, diving into me. Wanna swim good and I wanna swim deep, diving into you, diving into me. I wanna swim good and I wanna swim. Maybe it's the loving in your eyes I feel, see through. Thank you so much. Nice. Thank you guys so much. May baby pala dito.
1 year old na.
1 year old?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name po? Keith.
Okay.
Hi, Keith. Are you a Universe? Universe.
You recognize me?
Oh, shout out sa mga Universe and Universe. Yung Universe, halo-halo na yun ng ano. May mga Yules. Ang dami.
Elements in the universe. Yeah.
Ayun. So wait, ma'am. Gusto ko malaman mga taga saan po kayo. Where are you guys? Sorry. Alam ko namin yung pagko-coffee nyo. Sorry, guys.
Since we
Yeah.
finished 2 songs, let's sip the coffee now.
Yeah.
Moisturize.
Inutusan kayo ni Yul. Sip the coffee daw.
Order one.
Order more.
more.
And then meron dito Yul. They're from Rizal. Kainta Rizal. Thank you for coming. I just met them. Hello po. How about that?
QC.
QC.
Hello?
Tarlac. Thank you so much for coming. What? Grabe, kayo po. Laguna from the south. Yes.
Ilang oras na punta dito?
From Enchanted Kingdom. Yes.
4?
Binamunan daw. Hello. Oh my gosh, hello. Thank you guys for coming. Wait sila. Pili ko nag-work lang. Nag-work pa kayo. Nagsa-study. Study or work? Study. They're studying, so nakakaabala dahil. Sorry guys.
It's very like if you listen to the song, it's also making you concentrate on your study. Because it's harming and then also emotional.
Yeah.
Kasi on the way here, we didn't really expect this many people.
Oh,
Because it's our first destination and Friday, traffic.
Tama. Oh,
Thank you so much. I really love to see you all here for your support and time, of course.
Yes. And of course, the effort po. Thank you for all the yung mga print out nila. Yan, pinapamigay nila ngayon. Thank you guys! Wow! Kailangan kayo. What's your no? Are you guys like 20 plus na? Not yet. No, you're not even 20 plus. I think are you guys are students, right? Oh my gosh. Hello, nice to meet you. College. Saan kayo? What's your school? UST. He's from LaSalle. Perfect. Ayun, LaSalle. Perfect. Anima.
Just graduated ako.
Ayan. What's your course pala kayo? Baka magkakapag-course mo.
Legal management.
Oh, legal management. Engineering. Ay, may mga tao doon sa likod yun. Hello po. Excuse me, no? Excuse me, ho. Hi, guys. Hello. If you guys don't know us, I'm Eunice. Hello.
I'm Hyunyo, short Yul na lang.
Yes, Yul for sure. And we are from Itbulaga. Yes. And we have the song out. It's out now on Spotify and YouTube if you guys want to listen to it. Ito siya, yeah. Baka sakali. Yan, copy-copy lang kayo. Don't mind us. Ito lang kami. Ikaw, M, taga saan ka? Tarlac. Si Bernice from QC ba? Oh, QC. Yung mga ito, uy, may mga bagong dating pa. Ano po? Ate Crisel, saan ka galing? Ikaw, ate. Nasugbo? Sino sa ba?
Sangas.
Batangas.
Sours. Thank you so much for sacrificing your day for today.
Nasugbo, Batangas. Pero tayo nag-Gimme 5. Taga saan ka? Region 1? Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Oh, when you
Ayun.
heard, I'm bossing.
Boss, ikaw, taga saan ka po?
I don't know how to mimic this voice. Happy birthday.
Talaga, believe in happy birthday, Ate
Last week lang.
Vicky. Taga saan ka?
Ikaw lang mo. Anyway po, when you first hear our cafe tour and post, what did you feel? And what's your emotion? Excited? And then when you hear our song Pagkasakali, ano po yung reaction mo? Relax or emotional, being emotional, cry, or exciting? Ano po?
Ano daw kayo? Ano first impression nyo daw sa Pagkasakali? O, ayun na. Ano, tanong natin. Ano, game. Ikaw pa, ano pong first impression?
Emotional, pero maganda. Kasi, di ba, yun yung first song mo, or yung ginawa mo, hindi ka pa marunong mag-Tagalog.
Nireview mo naman. Hindi ka pa marunong mag-Tagalog.
Alam siya.
Thank you po.
Beautiful.
Ay,
Wanna share your emotion?
lapit ka na lang daw po. Lapit ka.
Let's go, Mom.
Ay, lapit kayo kay Yun. Lapit ka.
Ikaw, Chen. Ah, sige.
Kanite.
Pwede.
Oy. Saan ka po galing?
Siya.
Ay, ate ah. Tama naman siya. Sabay. Tansa, Cavite. Grabe, thank you po for coming. 2 o'clock ka pa umalis.
I can see familiar faces here as well. Thank you so much for always supporting us. Yeah.
Wala lang first impression.
Ready na po ba kayo mag-hear ng Pagkasakali?
Ay, hindi niya niya sinagot kung ano yung first impression.
Hindi siya share.
Okay, sige. Valid. Gutom siya. Yun ang impression niya to
Pati
me.
yun. Kasi yan yung focus on cafe tour is
Yeah.
eating or drinking while you're singing our songs. So enjoy your food and drinks as well. Yeah.
Yes, oh.
Now we will share our teammate.
Ha?
Ganun lang. Pagkasakali po.
Oh, this one. Pero before that pala, just a quick backstory for baka sakali kasi sa mga hindi pa nakakarinig ng song. I shared this also on Ibulaga. It's a song I wrote when I was still in Ireland in 2019. And I was, how do I put this? I was trying hard to learn or to practice my Tagalog again. So, ang ginawa ko, naghanap ako ng movies na parang pwede ko panoorin ganyan, just to listen to like Tagalog and stuff. And I saw a movie, pwede ko sabihin, it's called Sakaling Maging Tayo. So doon ako na-inspire. Napanood niyo ba yun? Ano niyo ba yun? Sakaling Maging Tayo. Huwag niyo hanapin. Basta yun siya. Tapos, so sabi ko, okay, like, I wanna try to write about sakaling maging tayo. Like, baka sakali, or sakaling maging sa... Basically, relapse song, ganyan. So, having said that, sino ba dito mga nag-relapse? Meron ba dito? Like, umaasa?
Holding phones so they cannot hold it.
Ayun nga. Gutom ka lang talaga ate, no? Walang ka. Baka sakaling dumating na yung order niya. O yun, so...
Masakal mag-order na ako.
Ay, hindi ka pa naka-order.
Sige na.
Sige na, order ka na. Mamaya na kami ate, order ko muna.
So focus na feeling ng song is mostly relax.
Hopeful.
Yeah, hopeful and then
Yeah.
also overcome and
It's,
realize.
yes. It's sad, but it's hopeful. Pwede pala yun, like two emotions and all. It's sad, but it's hopeful. Ito, so sana makarelate kayo. Or kung di ba kayo nakarelate, sana you still have this connection with this song. So, here we go. This one is called
Yes.
Nagsimula na para bang laro na lahat. O kahit dalis, hirap paniwalaan. Di sigurado ba't ang dali rin nawala. Hinahanap pa rin kita. Kung sakaling maging tayo, sana'y maging tayo muli. Baka sakaling mabalik ko pa pag-ibig na ako'y masaya. Baka sakaling pwede ba tayong dalawa? Baka sakaling pwede bang ibalik ang iyong mga yakap at halik? Baka sakaling pwede ba tayong dalawa?
Sa lahat, di na malayang napabayaan kita. Sobrang malabo ang andali ng nawala. Hanap naman kita. Kung sakaling maging tayo, sana nga'y maging tayo muli. 그대로 나를 수 있을까? 우리의 행복했던 사랑을 우리 아직 가능할까? 너와 나 우리 둘이서 다시 돌려놓을 수 있을까 너를 꼭 안고 나누던 맞춤을 우리 아직 가능할까 우리도 함께